If you're struggling with dry and messy flyaway hair on the daily, I want you to try out the Redken All Soft Moisture Restore Leave-In Treatment that I got on Amazon. It will leave your beautiful locks looking healthy and soft for quite some time. Got a special event to go to? About to head to the beach and need to get those darn wispy strands out of the way? Put this on and you'll be good for the rest of the day. Literally, it's 72 hours of deep hydration for your hair, while enhancing curls, preventing further split ends, and taming the uncontrollable frizz that God naturally gave you. Oh, and did I mention my favorite part? It detangles my hair fast. The hyaluronic acid primer is the perfect treatment for dry, coarse, and brittle hair. Yep, if you've dyed and fried your hair several times and just need a little bit of extra help bringing your mane back to life, this will be your best friend. It will surely protect your strands from humidity and heat until the end of the day. I've kept my hair quite long throughout the year, so I definitely see a major improvement since using it for a couple of weeks. It's much smoother, healthier, and contained. I hope you try this out and let me know how it goes. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification button for more videos like these so it'll motivate me to make more. Thanks so much for watching.